7 in the 7? Who's got the 55? Who's got the Firebird? Who's got the 19 of Abe Lincoln? Here they come! Green flag and we're racing! Let's see that Pontiac Firebird take it off. Let's see. It's Rodden and Niswager. Hang on to it, boys. Here comes Josh Cavan. Here comes David Lumsden. Looks like Cale Yarborough out there. It's Cale Yarborough and Abraham Lincoln battling for second place. They get 3 wide right off the get-go. Whoa! Lumsden, great driving. Look like he was going to drive right into the side of Josh Cavan. He didn't do it, but he's going to make a move on him. We're going 3 wide Rockford Speedway in turn 3 and turn 4. But it's the Firebird off to the races in the lead of Keegan Rodden. Lumsden and Abe Lincoln. Abe Lincoln, I wonder if he misses being president. Oh, here comes Josh Cavan, and Abe Lincoln loses it. Cavan looking to challenge Lincoln. But Lumsden is looking to challenge the Firebird. Oh, come on, I want the Firebird, actually. That Firebird's cool, but Lumsden's going to pull away, I think. Let's see, we're going side by side. Whoa, hang on to it. Josh Cavan's rear end's all over the place. He makes contact with Big Al Coopball. And it's going to be Lumsden to try to pull away from the Firebird. This race is 8 laps. We're now halfway through this race. As David Lumsden, starting in the back, is going to come around and be your new leader, followed by Keegan Rodden. And it's going to be Big Al Coopball, followed by Josh Cavan. And here comes Abraham Lincoln, also known as Kurt Niswanger. Wow, that was wild and crazy from the get-go. We were 3 wide, and now David Lumsden Jr. is going to try to put it in cruise control. And on the back of David Lumsden's car, it says Rednecks Racing. How about that? Yeehaw! White flag out for David Lumsden Jr. Hang on to it, Keegan. Here comes Big Al. I always like the big Monte Carlo style Roadrunners. That, like the Chevelles, but it's going to be David Lumsden to get this win. There he goes. Here comes Keegan Rodden for second. Al Coopball for third. Josh Cavan for fourth. Kurt Niswanger will bring up the field. How about that? Oh, come on around here, David Lumsden. Get your moment of glory. All right. All right, Rockford Speedway, make some noise. It's David Lumsden Jr. All right. A veteran here at the Rockford Speedway. Excellent.